Millions of people suffer from stomach pain, ulcers, or acid reflux. Yet few realize how important this powerful digestive organ is for processing every meal. Every time you eat, your stomach becomes a powerful digestive chamber, breaking food into nutrients your body can absorb and use for energy. The stomach sits in the upper left part of your abdomen, just below the diaphragm, connecting the esophagus above to the small intestine below. Food enters through the cardia, collects in the fundus mixes in the body of the stomach, and exits through the pylorus toward the small intestine. Inside the stomach are folds called rugae. These folds flatten when the stomach fills, allowing it to stretch and store larger meals. The stomach's main job is digestion. Strong muscles churn food, while acid and enzymes break it down into a thick liquid called chyme. The stomach also carefully controls how quickly food moves into the small intestine, helping digestion continue smoothly and efficiently. The stomach lining contains specialized cells. Some produce acid, others release digestive enzymes, and some create mucus to protect the stomach wall. These cells form tiny structures called gastric glands that release digestive chemicals needed to break down proteins and destroy harmful microbes. The stomach also produces hormones like gastrin, which signal the body to release digestive acid at the right time to help break down food efficiently. A dense network of arteries and veins surrounds the stomach, delivering oxygen to the tissue and carrying absorbed nutrients to fuel the rest of the body. The brain communicates with the stomach through the vagus nerve, regulating digestion and coordinating muscular contractions for smooth and controlled food processing. The stomach works closely with nearby organs, like the liver, pancreas, and gallbladder to break down food and prepare nutrients for absorption efficiently. As digestion begins, nutrients travel through the bloodstream, providing energy to muscles, organs, and the brain, powering your body to function every day. Because digestion starts here, the stomach has a major impact on overall health, fueling organs and muscles, and supporting the body's daily energy needs. Gastritis happens when the stomach lining becomes inflamed, often caused by infections, alcohol, or stress, resulting in pain and digestive discomfort. Stomach ulcers are painful sores that develop when the protective mucus lining weakens, allowing digestive acids to damage the stomach wall. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid moves upward into the esophagus, causing burning discomfort and sometimes damaging the esophageal lining over time. Stress, smoking, alcohol, and poor eating habits can upset stomach balance, increasing acid levels and the risk of gastritis, ulcers, and digestive problems. A healthy stomach protects itself with a thick mucus layer, shielding the lining from acid and allowing digestion to happen safely and efficiently. From childhood to old age, the stomach works continuously, processing thousands of meals, demonstrating its incredible endurance and importance throughout life. After a meal, the stomach expands and begins rhythmic contractions, mixing food with acid and enzymes to break it down efficiently. In summary, the stomach stores food, mixes it with acid and enzymes, and prepares nutrients to be absorbed in the small intestine efficiently. When acid levels rise too high or protective mucus weakens, the stomach lining can become irritated, increasing the risk of ulcers and inflammation. Healthy habits maintain a strong stomach lining, while poor habits like smoking or excess alcohol increase the risk of damage and digestive diseases. At the microscopic level, billions of stomach cells work together to digest food and protect the stomach wall from acid damage. Every meal follows a precise path. It moves from the esophagus into the stomach, then onward to the small intestine for nutrient absorption. Your stomach works tirelessly every day to fuel your body. What healthy habit do you think helps protect your stomach the most?